Camping. Hindi ka nag-video?
Ano na?
Hindi ka Ang sarap po.
Filipino food.
Parang itlog na pula lang din.
Yeah.
Kasi may patis. Guys, we had our card replaced and she just printed like a print paper. Card come out from the machine.
Card maker.
Oh, is that right? And we are off to Costco. Target over here.
Can we go to Target after?
We at Silverdale.
That's the Wait, no, it's actually wet.
Cotton candy grapes.
Ambler. Yeah. Okay.
Oh wow. So
Boulevard. Roundabout too.
So people wouldn't have to wait to make a left turn. Remember?
Oh.
Another roundabout here on Bainbridge.
Another roundabout. They're getting almost like Olympian roundabout everywhere. Slow
Because you
people
remember
down
you
too.
have to stop and make a left turn. Now you don't. Keeps
Wow.
the traffic flowing.
There's a graveyard. Oh wow. You think, is that Richard's car?
Yeah. And his sailboat.
Oh, he still has a sailboat. He got a trailer. They might not be home. Maya's car is not here.
It's the white Filipino too.
Who's that? The big sign saying homes.
Yeah, you gotta keep it cut.
That's all right. Zero more take care of that. Take it off Friday to go down to Portland. Then they
Yeah.
whatever. Whatever. It looks nice.
He built it himself, he said.
Ah. Okay, I'm okay right here.
All right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's so good to see y'all.
Well, I told her I wanted to see you. Hey, how you doing?
Bainbridge Island.
T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Good job, D-O. Dave, what you going on?
You think we fit there?
Yeah.
Something over there. Looks like.
Are we going to Wilmington?
Juliana.
Don't take it off at the loop. Stephanie just wants you to roll on this.
There's some of them over there.
Oh yeah.
This smells like my boy classmates. My boy classmates smell like sweat.
Ties down. Wow.
What ties down?
The tie is low. Low tie. Oh yeah, I can get near that. Thank you.
It's not full.
For security reasons, we ask that passengers not leave any backpacks, luggage, packages, or other personal belongings unattended during this crossing. Upon arrival at our final destination, all passengers must disembark the vessel. In the event of a shipboard emergency,
Feels like it's not even.
Wow. Come on, you guys. Let's take pictures. Daddy will find us. You three sit. Stand over there. We can take picture of you.
What? You stole my sticker. Why is Seattle have so much buildings? It's a city. You just asked them all.
This is pretty.
Who fought it?
That's the sewer system there.
It stinks.
Tesla.
Amtrak.
Starbucks got a truck.
Amtrak down
Dad, can I put your jacket in the back?
there.
No. Here, give it to me.
It's on the floor.
Because you're gonna need it when it gets out. Starbucks truck. This is a floating bridge.
Yep. Let it keep straight.
Yeah, that's fine. Looks beautiful.
I'll get back on.
Oh, Juliana, go find it. I'm leaving. They get candles too. Okay, Juliana. There, so the girls got the crystal stuff. What's that? Necklace.
Is this gold?
Yeah.
It's gold?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's gold.
From here.
How do they get those stuff? And it's actually real.
Crystals and botanicals.
I'm just playing. Stop being so